Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I got just a quick trade for you on Nike. Now, apparently, the U.S., Canada, and the not so United Kingdom and the European Union, they all got together and took issue with the fact that China uses slave labor in order to make Nike. And of course, China has a problem with being insulted because using slave labor is wrong. Therefore, you're not supposed to say that that's actually what they do. But, you know, China, we can't insult the motherland. And so they're boycotting, right? They're not selling them over there, whatever the case may be. I don't even know. Don't care. What I know is Nike, on a very short-term basis, could give you a trade if the stock runs back above 120. But, you know, this is it's broken support here. So it really does need to get back above 120 in order to get back into the next range. This should only be a short-term trade. If you want to look at the weekly chart, you can see, look, it's in an uptrend, no question about it, but this is not a smooth stock. It's actually a very choppy stock to be trading. But as a, you know, if you're a long-term holder, fine. That's just not what I do in these videos. I'm just talking about the short-term trades. And frankly, for a lot of stocks, you know, I'm just not really seeing much today other than like what's already happened. So you can check Nike out. Keep a stop just a little bit below this level. I wouldn't even wait for the 200-day moving average. I would just say if the stock gets down to, say, 125.40, that's just 4 pennies below where the low was today, then, you know, you're going to want to sell the stock. But I don't think that's going to happen. And just know that if you're buying this stock, well, then you're against slavery. And you know, who wouldn't buy? I want to go out and buy a pair of Air Jordans right now. In fact, goodbye.